Hi everyone! Welcome back to the SunFish video tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to submit a training request in SunFish. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the training module, then click on Training Request. On this page, you'll find all your training requests, whether they're fully approved, unverified, or still in draft. Got a lot of requests? No worries. You can easily search by training name, type, event type, or status. You can also switch between card view or list view, whatever works best for you. To create a new request, click the blue button on the top right. Then choose your request type, new training or existing training. If you select existing training, you can join sessions already scheduled by your company. Just pick your preferred event type e-learning, offline, online, or all of them. Choose a course, filter by related to my job title only, if needed. Set your date range, and click display. Once everything looks good, hit send to approver. You can also preview who will approve your request or save it as a draft for later. Now, if you choose new training, it means you want to propose a brand new training. Fill in details like provider type, event type, topic, and course. You can browse available courses using Use Training Course or filter based on your role. After that, select the date range, add yourself as a participant, and your reason for the request. You can also upload supporting files if needed. Once you're done, just hit Submit. Easy, right? With this feature, growing your skills at work has never been this simple.